Guys, give it I want to tell us. So you know, say as we did this place, all of us be like family. So like this, all of us will cooperate. You know, understand? Remember, I tell her say when I go learn that I get one fine game when I see. When I tell her say na me get a based on packaging, she don't tell me say she dey console. Like this, all of us will cooperate. When I go just embarrass me, once you just come and embarrass me, they call me boss or guy. When I just praise me, you feel it down, and I will just say, hey, workers.
Why I really be like that? For how much you want to give me?
I wonder, this your story just get leg like this. Today we just come work, we won't come fry guy, come they eat. They get problem, oh.
Come, they want yourself. Not to say because of say they call you T baby, you come say na that T baby where do you your phone name na T Igboko. They want yourself.
Carry yourself with your problem, eh? Give me chance. What you know the money and what? Okay, welcome. Welcome. Thank you.
Darling, which of these idiots says such to you?
Look at him. Yes.
Santos. So it's you again, Santos. Eh? So you had the effrontery to tell my woman that you own this place and that you are willing to offer her a job if she does what you want her to do.
Okay, me? Okay, I go see your woman, your everything. I'll go tell her say na my own.
Baby, he's like your life.
Darling.
Darling.
He's calling darling.
And all this kind of thing I don't like. So now this kind of thing they happen for our family. If they don't like for our head, so they be like magnet. Anything where that person talk, we go they talk am. When I tell you since they think whether that or that boy what go take this foul. This Ghana weaving. Now me when I tell they walk. They say they won't take.
Will you just shut your trap? Eh? Santos, the way things are going, it is obvious you will not last long working with me. I say shut up, I'm not talking to you. Darling, let's go. Santos, by the way, I asked everyone to wear black trousers on my shirt. Santos, why are you wearing this?
Black trousers on your shirt. But wear black shoe. Nike.
Santos, meet me in my office. My darling, please. Question.